Yo, what is up, guys? So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Cnfans. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But let's get right into it. So first, this is my spreadsheet. This is where I find majority of my finds. Pretty much anything. There's about 2,000 finds in this, so whatever you need is here. To start, to make an account, go to my link tree /Stokai, and then click the sign up. Make sure this code is typed in to make sure you claim your bonuses. Once you do, make your account like usual. And when you have your account made, this is where we have to find items that we want to buy. So majority of the stuff that I find or I've found over my past 5 years of buying reps, I've basically compiled them all into my spreadsheet right here. And once you find something that you like, all you have to do is just click the link and it'll take you straight to the Cnfans product where you could just place your order. Obviously, you just got to click your size and the style that you want and then add it to your cart. So the next way to find items is through Reddit. The top Reddit out is currently r/fashion reps, which is the biggest community by far. Pretty much anything you're looking for will be on here. Just make sure to search up what you're looking for, and if it doesn't show up, then it probably isn't being repped. Another popular Reddit is r/quality reps. This Reddit is honestly my favorite. The items cost more typically, but they're individual sellers selling high quality products and updating on their manufacturing process, which I think is actually pretty cool. They post constant QCs and interest checks, whether it's new items or other stuff like that. On this Reddit, you'll mostly find stuff like Balenciaga, Acti Studios, ERD, and those kind of brands. So if you post like Stussy on there, you will most likely be crucified. So I would stay away. Next is my community actually, which is r/rep hauls. And so this community is actually going to be dedicated to more than just posting your rep hauls. Like I'm going to be posting my daily finds on there. If you want custom support or asking for where to cops, I would definitely recommend posting on here. I'm active pretty much every single day. Same with my Discord. But anyways, this is just my community. We got people posting me here with a chopped ass photo, but it is what it is. And so another way is actually through Cnfans. They recommend products. You could see what people are buying, bestsellers, and you can go through the categories. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend this. The items I've ordered from haven't been the greatest. So I would just recommend sticking to spreadsheets or through Reddit. Another spreadsheet I can recommend is my boy Trap God Derek's. So he supports AC buy, but his spreadsheet also has the raw links. So you'll click on a spreadsheet, you'll scroll to whatever item you're looking for, and then on the far right it says original link. So there you'll just click copy link and then go into Cnfans, paste the link, and then it'll take you to the item that you're looking for. So here, obviously, once again, style, your size, and then add to cart. And once you have everything that you want in your cart, you're going to need to top up your balance so you can pay. So just go to your account, go to user center, click top up, choose the amount that you want to add, and then go to here, just, submit your debit or credit card or Google Pay, pay for your balance, and then yeah, you should be good. So I already have balance, so I don't need to do it. But once you're done, just go to your cart, click everything that you want to add or order, and then just submit the order. It'll take you here, just confirm, and then scroll down, click buy now. Pretty much sometimes they'll charge like a domestic freight fee, so that's just shipping to the warehouse. Pretty usual stuff. It won't be very expensive, so just click buy now. So after a few days, or you'll get a notification on your phone or in your email that your order has been stocked in the warehouse. Just go to the app or website, go to warehouse, and then check your QC photos. Make sure everything's good. I like the look of these, so I'm gonna keep them. Sometimes the agents be tweaking and they just be sending boxes or terrible QC photos. So don't be afraid to reach out to your agent and ask for either better QC photos, or you could pay for customized photos like insole lengths, hip measurements, other stuff like that. Pretty much whatever you ask for, they will do, unless it's some crazy stuff where you're like asking the agent to like swim underwater with your Arc'teryx jack. But if you're satisfied, just select all your items, and then this is where you click submit. So once you click submit, if you haven't already, you got to put your shipping address, where you're going to ship the package to, under the name you're going to ship it to. And this is where you could estimate the weight. Here you can see the shipping lines. I'm probably going to go with HK UPS. I'm still waiting for a few more items, so I'm not actually going to ship out this haul. But for you, once you get to declare, for Canada, it's 14 USD is our minimum tax threshold. So just search up for your country. For the States, I believe it's 12 USD per kilogram. So you could do the math for that. Just however many you do, just make the total number add up to however much your minimum tax threshold is in your country. For me, I'm going to do it to 14 USD. So I'm going to make all my items add up to a total of 14 USD. Once you've done that, obviously just click submit your parcel, and just wait for your shipping. After a few days, you should get your tracking number and your parcel details. Once you get that, you could submit it into 17track.net. It'll track all the movement in China, so when it's shipping internationally, where it's moving in China, and then once it gets to your country, you'll get all the updates as well. So I would definitely recommend this, and then thank you guys for watching. This is actually the end of the video. Hopefully a new video soon. I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.